Have you ever wondered how small changes can rekindle the flame of intimacy and trust? Hello, I'm Samira Posses, your consultant in intimate well-being and relationship health. Today, we're going to demystify tadalafil, an advanced alternative for those seeking more confidence and spontaneity in their intimate moments, distinguishing itself from previous options by its prolonged action and usage profile, offering a new perspective on quality of life. But how exactly does this substance work in our bodies to promote these benefits? Simply put, tadalafil facilitates increased targeted blood flow, which is essential for a satisfactory physical response when genuine desire is present. Its effect can begin to be felt in about 40 minutes, with a window of action that can extend up to 20 hours, allowing for more spontaneity. And speaking of spontaneity and expectations, what myth about intimate well-being and relationships have you had to debunk or would like to see explained here? Share your curiosity in the comments. We would love to create content based on your suggestions. And of course, if this topic interests you, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next discussions. Beyond its more widely recognized role in enhancing performance and safety during intimate moments, tadalafil has indications that extend further, such as supporting the management of certain urinary tract discomforts in older men, for example, those over 55, and even as an adjunct in regaining confidence shaken by previous insecurities. It is crucial to emphasize that its use to optimize workouts in gyms, seeking a muscular pump, is not a practice we endorse, due to the risks and lack of solid evidence for such a purpose. The ideal dosage? That's a journey of individual discovery, always guided by a professional. There is no magic number, such as 15 minads or 25 minads, that works for everyone. The best approach is to start with the lowest dose that yields positive results, adjusting as needed based on your body's response. Regarding efficacy, it's important to align expectations. Approximately 28% of users may not achieve the desired effect, and in scenarios with pre-existing health conditions, such as type 1 diabetes, this figure can reach as high as 48%. Regarding dependency, the body does not become chemically addicted, but the mind may forge a sense of security with the medication. Therefore, a mindful usage plan, and if necessary, a gradual discontinuation strategy, is paramount, while also exploring other supportive therapies. Effects such as mild headaches or facial flushing may occur. However, an erection that persists for more than 3 hours warrants immediate medical attention. Remember, judicious use is key to well-being. If this conversation has broadened your horizons and brought you a new understanding, just imagine the universe of information we can still explore together. We would be delighted for you to become a part of our growing community. Subscribe to continue this journey of discovery with us, and hit the notification bell to be the first to know about our latest content. More than that, we want to hear from you. How did this video resonate with your experience? What valuable insights did you gain today? Share your stories and learnings in the comments below. Your perspective immensely enriches our exchange and helps other members of our community.